Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to lock any folder in any Windows. See, I am just opening the lock. Let's start our video. Now our first step is to copy the link and paste it. Now go to the website, link in the description, and copy the link and paste it in the notepad. Now go to the Windows Explorer and just create a new folder. Now go to the notepad. In the 23rd line you will have password goes here. Delete it and type your password. I am keeping 1234. You keep your password. Then save the notepad in the new folder. Rename it as Locker Bat. Now a program will appear. To click on it to type the password and then type the password. A folder will appear called private. Keep the files which you want to keep the password. And again click on the program and type Y to keep the password again. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.